What's going on, legends? So I thought I'd do a quick video on this Pro Carbon fuel tank cover kit that I've got. Ordered it from the UK, got it sent over. It took about 10 days to get here, which was pretty quick, pretty surprising. And yeah, I've fitted it all up. Did a bit of a quick unbox, I guess, in the video when I glued the thing on. So I'll throw those videos in and you can have a look. There's the top cap, a few instructions, a couple of tubes of glue. Apparently this glue is strong enough to glue fish tanks together. So that's the right side cap, the left side cap, and the top cap for around the fuel filler. Alright, so first of all I thought I'd take the tank off the bike just to give it a bit more of a clean out, make sure I could get it to adhere properly to the tank, I guess. Get off the bike and gave her a good clean out. Emptied all the fuel out of it. I'm just using an isopropyl alcohol here just to sort of get any leftover film off it that was sort of left behind, I guess. I didn't want to use anything too crazy just because it might soak into the plastic. Test fitted the panels to make sure they all fit as directed. Use small dabs of glue over the whole panel just to ensure that everywhere was sort of stuck. They give you 2 tubes of rubber cement. I think I used a tube and a half on all 3 pieces, so I probably could have gone a little bit more, but I went pretty crazy on the glue. Once I got the glue on, I pushed everything into place just to make sure it fit nice and snug, and everything fit well, which was good, which made it gluing in place easily. Pressed that one on, made sure it was fine, flipped it over and did the other side. So once flipped over, I repeated the same process on the other side, and once again on the top. I pushed everything down nice and tight, made sure everything was nice to fit properly, and left it to sit overnight so it could set. All in all, I think I definitely like it. It makes the bike look so much better. Yeah, they have that real orangey, yellowy, I want to say, fuel tank on them, and they go, I don't know, you see them on all KTMs, I don't know if Huskies do it as well, but fuel tank is like clear plastic, but it goes really dirty looking, where these glue-on caps is such a great idea, finishing it off, and because I've got the black end of the bike, ties it off really well and makes it not so in your face, I guess. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. Would recommend, super easy to install. All the instructions on how to install it come with it. The finish of it is super glossy, which will scratch, but it does say that you can actually rub these back and gloss them back up. So that'll be interesting to see how they go over time. And all in all, totally happy, would buy it again, would recommend. And yeah, thanks Pro Carbon, well done. So yeah, that's about it for me. Tell me what you think. If you like it, if you like what I'm doing, let me know. Hey, this is a bit for me. It's been good learning the ropes of it all. So yeah, pretty happy with it. So I'll try to keep them coming as much as I can and see how we can do with this. So that's it. Legends. Yeah.